Mother Nature. True communists see God in Mother Nature. Better to have no God other than Mother Nature. Naturo meditation means to let Mother Nature act upon us. Mother Nature read means the best of scripture read. God is available to man only in the form of Mother Nature. With Mother Nature means to be with God. Our evolution is safe in the hands of Mother Nature. An inquirer's life is taken over by Mother Nature. Mother Nature is the visible God for all practical purposes. God teaches but only through Mother Nature. To observe Mother Nature means to learn from God. Mother Nature is God in form.